Hey guys, well, it's that time of year. Hope you guys all made lots of Christmas trees and prosperous on your art projects for Christmas, people buying Christmas gifts. Look at the last Christmas tree that nobody bought is the goddamn poo tree. Yep, poo tree remains at my place. So this will be the first annual Christmas Carvers video, and I'd just like to thank everybody for the pictures and all that stuff. I'm starting to slowly fill back the inventory in my living room. It's normally just packed, but you guys hear that noise? You guys hear that? What is that? Sounds like it's coming in the closet. Holy shit, what are you doing in here?
Jordy!
Grumpy Jesse, what the hell are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? I goddamn busted out of prison. What do you think I'm doing here?
How did you bust out of prison, man? You can't bust out of prison these days.
Well, I did. Just don't worry about it. I'll tell you about the details later. But goddamn it, I couldn't. You said you were gonna bail me out 2 weeks ago or a week ago or something like that, and I'm still goddamn there. And I don't know, there's some areas where I wasn't feeling too comfortable. It seemed like I was friends with everybody, but then this big black guy, his name was Bubba, he started eyeing me up, and I'm like, oh, geez, well, I just need to get the hell out of here. I can't be dealing with this Bubba guy. I can scrap, I can swing my fist, but this guy's a goddamn monster, and I don't know what he was looking for, Jordy, but I just needed to get the hell out of there, okay? So here I am for Christmas.
Well, Grumpy Jesse, they're gonna come here and they're gonna be looking for you.
Well, I don't think so, Jordy. How are they? I don't know.
Grumpy Jesse. You hear that? You hear sirens?
Sirens? Huh?
Yeah, Grumpy Jesse, it's goddamn sirens. They're coming here looking for you. I told you. The first place that they would come and look for you is here. And here they come right now. Now I'm gonna have to friggin' hide you again. God fuck.
Just hide me, Jordy, and I don't know.
I'm gonna put you in here in the bark. You'll fit right in.
Ah.
I don't know, Jesse. I'll try my best to see what I can do. Oh no. Here they are. Nothing but a pain in the ass. Hey. They're gone. Talked them away again.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
For how long?
Well, I don't know. They said they might think about getting a warrant and coming back and doing a search here.
What?
Yeah, well, I did what I could do for you, bud.
Well, you were supposed to bail me out.
Well, I haven't been feeling well. I haven't left my house in 3 days.
Well, Jordy, I would have bailed you out right away. Okay? So anyways, I'm here for Christmas.
Yeah, well, if they don't come back with a warrant, you are.
Jordy, I see the only tree you didn't sell is the poo tree. The chocolate chip M&M poo tree's still here. Jordy, you're one of a kind.
Well, also, hey, speaking of poo, Grumpy Jesse, I got something to show you.
What? What do you got to show me?
Well, here, I'll show you right now.
Hi there, Grumpy Jesse. My name's Shithead. That's right, Shithead. I don't know why my mama called me that, but that's what she called me. Anyways, you want to be my buddy? I'd love to be your pal. We can play a game. Let me think. Oh, I got one. It's a good game. Cowboys and Indians. Hiya!
What are you thinking, Jordy? Jesus Christ, you stink like shit. Is that why they call you Shithead? And what do you think you're doing, and who do you think you are? You know, you say you want to play a game? Cowboys and Indians, I got a question for you. Who's the cowboy? And who's the Indian, huh? Tell me, who's the Indian? Hiya, 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 hiya.
So you were saying, why do you hang around with mushrooms?
Because they're fungi. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Oh, brother.
Ho, 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 Jordy! It's sitting on a stick! Oh, I got a stick in my head! Oh, hi, Jordy, how you been? Where'd you...
Well, I came out to the carving shop this morning, and I seen a flash behind a tree. And then the tree said there was something behind him. So I said, come out! And I said, whoo! I said, you, get out here! Whoo! You! Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, you. His name is Albert. Albert? Albert? Albert! What are you doing here, Albert? Go in. Why? I've seen all these trees. You know, they're not real trees. They look like trees to me. I live in trees. I eat mice. Well, where's the mice at? Oh, I'm sure there's a rat in here someplace. Somewhere there's a rat. I'll find him. Well, Albert, I guess you can stay for a while. Cool, cool, woo.
Well, Jordy, I finally got my indoor workbench area. Nice lit up, freaking nice little bench. Look, I found this piece of pine in my many hordes of piles. It was pretty much shaped like a tree. Check it out, Jordy. The nativity scene. Whoa, they have their own little tree up here.
Fugitive. Escapee. time. Hot time. Me and Jordy, and even Mr. Shithead, and all of us would love to wish you a Merry Christmas, and a Merry Christmas, and a ho, 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 ho. Gotta go. Bye.